Hey everyone, happy Easter! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this cute origami bunny head. And it's actually really easy to make. And it's pretty nice looking. And let's jump right into it. Alright, so for this model, I'm going to use a square sheet of kami origami paper. And it's 6 by 6 inches. But you can use any type of square paper to fold this model with. Alright, so to make a yellow bunny head, we're going to begin with the white side facing up, and we're going to fold in half. And make your folds strong and precise. Unfold, rotate, and repeat in the other direction. Okay, unfold. And now we're going to make a fish base. So we're going to take this raw edge and fold it to the center line. And I just like to fold from that crease to the corner. You can fold all the way across, it's fine, but I just like folding from the crease to there. Okay, unfold. And now we're going to take this edge and fold it to the center. And same thing, you can fold all the way across, but I just like to fold from that diagonal crease to the corner. Okay, now we're going to make those two folds we made at the same time. And then when you do that, this flap will stick up. And let's flatten it in both directions. Or actually, you know what, you can just flatten it in one direction. I flattened it in both directions in this model here, but you don't really need to do that. Just flatten it to one side and just leave it. Okay, and repeat on the other side. So fold like this, and I'm just folding to the crease, and this side too. And make those two folds at the same time. And make sure that these two flaps here are both in the same direction. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to turn over, and we're going to fold this in half right on the existing crease. Alright. Okay, so now orient it like this, and we're going to take these two edges and fold them to the center. You can do one at a time. Okay, now we're going to do is we're going to take this edge. This is actually the part where you want to decide if you want to have a color changed ear. So on these two models, this one, it's the same color on the inside of the ears, and on this one, I actually color change it. So the head is colored and the inside of the ears are white. So if you want them to be the same color inside, then you want to take just this folded edge here, and we're folding it on that little crease right there. Okay, and make sure that the inside, like I'm using yellow paper, so the inside of here is yellow too. So that's if you want a yellow ear, and you want to repeat on this side too. So fold on the crease. Now if you want them to be color changed, so if you want them to be white, then you want to take this raw edge also. And it's kind of like turning the page of a book. So we're just taking this raw edge and folding it down. So now it's white inside there. So should I make yellow ears or white ears? I'm going to go with white ears. There we go. And same on this side too. So take the raw edge, if you want white ears, and fold it down like that too. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to turn over here. This is kind of a tricky step, but not too bad. What we're going to do is we're going to make kind of a dent here. We're pinching that corner, and as we're doing it, we're making a small dent like that. Alright, and then just take that and fold it over like that. That's to taste. There we go. It makes the ears stand out better. And repeat on this side too. So you want to grab onto that corner and then make a small dent with your thumbnail below it, and then just fold that corner down like that. You don't have to be too clean about it. There we go. And now to make the ears not as pointy, let's just fold the points behind a little bit like that. I just don't want them as pointy, that's all. That's an optional little step. There we go. Alright, and we're actually almost done. So what we're going to do is we're going to take both of these corners at the same time, and we're going to fold them to there. So we're folding them to the edge. Now unfold them, and let's lift here and take this flap and stick it into the pocket. Just stuff it in there like that. And repeat here. And this one's a little bit harder because we have to reverse the crease first. And then now, just stick it inside of there. Like that. Now, turn over on the back side. And now we're going to take this corner and fold it up in between this corner and that middle point right there. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great Easter so far. Hopefully y'all got a lot of candy and all that stuff in your baskets. Oh, that's right, we're repeating on this side too. Sorry about that. Fold in between the corner and there. Alright, and let's kind of round off the sides a little bit too. I'm going to fold these two corners in just a tiny bit to taste. No references. Alright. And I'm going to just kind of pinch this a little bit like this on the crease. There we go. And once you did that, your origami bunny head is all done. So yeah, it's a nice looking model. And if you want, you can draw some eyes on it. I might as well. Just draw an eye there and an eye there. And then I'll just put like a little smiley here. Smiley face. So it's a happy bunny. Yeah, I'm not really an artist. I don't draw, so. But yeah, that looks pretty good to me. So yeah, there it is. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed this video and were able to paint this origami bunny head. And make sure you subscribe and have a great Easter. Alright.